Now, stock market is a place where investors connect to go, or retail investors like you and me, we connect to try to go and buy companies that are publicly listed, either here in South Africa or all over the world, right? I mean, there are so many people out there that have made or generated tons and tons of money through investing in stocks, right? I mean, every day, if you just go on the streets of social media and just check the retail investors like you and me, those that are comfortable posting their portfolios, you will notice that in as much as some people will complain and saying that they are losing money in the stock market, there are those that are making a good buck. There are those that are making lots and lots of money. I mean, to this week, especially to me, I hardly search for those people that are posting their portfolios, but this week rather I encountered now quite few retail investors that are doing the most in the stock market, right? I mean, someone showed their investment portfolio with millions in their portfolios, or on their name, which shows you that in as much as we can complain, there are people that are generating tons and tons of money. And if you did not know, there are so many billionaires all over the world that are also participating in investing into the stock market. I mean, when you look into billionaires like Ray Dalio, he owns a hedge fund that owns stocks. When you look at a billionaire like David Tepper, he owns also a company that owns stocks. And they not only own stocks, but they also short stocks. Shorting stock is when they feel like when a stock is overvalued, they can short the stock, or predicting or putting money to predict that that stock share price wise is going to go down. And as the share price goes down, they are making, or they are generating tons and tons of money, which is something that is very, very good. So they are billionaires, or the top 0.1% of the super rich that are also investing a lot into the stock market, and they are making big money. There is money to be made. Don't let anyone fool you. There is money to be made. Banks that you are banking with, they are buying shares, they are investing in the stock market. Do not be fooled. People, institutions, businesses, they are owning companies, or they are going out there in the market and buying shares, because they realize that there is money to be made, and if you are smart, you can continue increasing your net worth. I mean, 2021 was a very good year that showed us that there is really money that can be made seriously into the stock market. And probably because we had not experienced what we experienced in 2020, 2021 during the pandemic, a lot of people were panicking. But the super rich, if you check their net worth, you will notice that they were becoming much richer. They were becoming richer and richer, because when you and me were panicking and selling our shares, they were going in the market and placing their bet onto the companies that really do well when people, or to the people that are working from home. That is your Zoom, that is your Microsoft, that is your these other platforms that allows people to effectively work from home. That's where they were investing. When the airline companies, when they're traveling in leisure, stocks were trembling. They were investing into the companies that are booming during that time, and which are the companies that enables the people to work from home and still do the job that they were hired to do, which is something that is just so great. So when you and me, or when some of the retail investors are panicking, there are those that are smart and seeing opportunities in the stock market and going to buy. And like I said, to the billionaires, or to even everyone, there are those that not only buy a stock, but they also make a put option, project or predict that the stock will go down, because they see that the stock is overvalued. In as much as they can do that, they can also predict that the stock price of a certain company will go up, because they see that it's undervalued, which is something that is very, very interesting. So there's money to be made in the stock market, and so many people ask me if the stock market is really a legit thing, and it is for that reason that I thought I come and give you this quick video. I mean, go read about Ray Dalio and this company, Bridgewater Associates. That's what they do. They own stocks. They own quite a number of assets. They are a hedge fund. He owns a hedge fund. Go read about David Tepper. Right? I remember very well. There are even top A or A-list celebrities who have publicly said that they've bought their wife shares as presents. I won't just mention who, but you can also go search there that there are people that your A-list celebrities are buying shares, your banks are buying shares, your top rich guys are buying shares, or they are also publicly listing some of their companies, which is something that is very, very good. I mean, here in South Africa, we've got billionaires who have went and listed some of their companies, like African Rainbow Capital, which it was listed in the JSE back in 2017, right? I mean, they were trying to raise money, though it has went private again. But look, it shows that they know that they can make money through the stock market. Stock market is one of the places where companies or businesses are able to easily grow or generate some funding for their business to grow their businesses, which is something that is very, very good. And it's something that I think as a consumer, one should also have their stock market portfolio. I mean, I have my very own portfolio. In fact, I've got 2 portfolios, and I've been trying to get these portfolios to the next level, and hopefully they help me get to financial freedom, because I'm doing everything in my power to remain consistent in terms of investing, in terms of also increasing my portfolio, and hopefully one day also I get to be so rich where I end up, of course, also living my 9 to 5, just focusing on investing and my other businesses, which is something that I look forward to, right? So yeah, man, I am happy, I am excited, and I thought I come and give you these quick updates about the stock market to say that, look, it's not like we're doing something, or when you are buying shares, you're buying shares, or you are doing something that is only being done by the poor people or by the average people, but even the ultra high net worth individuals, they are participating, they are buying this. Investor of all time, Warren Buffett, how can I forget? Investor of all time, that's why I'm calling him that. How did he get rich? Invested in the stock market, bought S&P 500, bought the shares of Coca-Cola. Right now, the company that is doing the most for Berkshire Hathaway, which is an investment holding company, it's Apple. Apple is one of their largest holding, if not their largest holding on their portfolio, and it has been paying them some massive dividends because they invested a lot during the pandemic, right? Which is something that is great, something that is exciting. And he's the one guy that, obviously, when you're talking about the stock market, in fact, before you go to Dalio, David Tepper, you need to start by talking about him, because he's one guy who has been telling us, or who has been teaching about investing for a longest period, which is something that is very, very good, and there are good lessons that you can take from him. Warren Buffett, most of you guys, I'm sure, watching this, you know him. And yeah, even big guys are doing this thing. We do it right, you and me, we can end up being or getting to financial freedom sooner than expected, right? The most important thing is just consistency. The most important thing is just discipline, and obviously you have to at some point take some calculated risk, because remember, the more calculated risks you take, the more rewards you will get, right? There's no one who's successful, or most people that are successful, rather, they will tell you one thing in common, or they have one thing in common, and that is they had to put some risk, or they had to factor in some risks for them to be where they are. And it gives us a perfect example to say that you will not get to the next level unless you are taking some sort of risk, which is very, very important. But anyways, like this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It takes me some time to make videos like this. I'll see you on the next one. That is all from me, and God bless you all.